So guys, kung gusto niyo rin experience, sana makakasama namin kayo. Download the
app.
Download the app. My Yamaha Moto Rev PH. And maybe next time, kayo naman ang makasama namin for the next adventure. So guys, download the app.
Going to?
Japan.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Go away.
What a day, no? For the first day here at Japan, and pabalik na sa hotel and kita-kits bukas. It's day 2. So, nandito na kami sa Yamaha Communications Plaza.
We'll be riding the Yamaha NMAX. So ito yung sa aming mga Platinum members.
Don't forget, safety is number 1.
Sobrang excited kami na.
Double check. Yun yung mga motor namin. Hello!
Signal check. So many circles.
Ito ang buhay namin dito sa Japan. Marami sumalang sa laban.
Hey guys, we're about to take off here, the Yamaha Communications Plaza.
Pamilyar na kanta.
Okay, wala ka na sa DMC rides, as a rider. Nasa DMC music ka na.
Papunta na kami ngayon for lunch.
Platy, ano ginagawa mo dyan, Platy?
Ang hirap umupo, Platy.
Wish you were here with us to see this view.
Bababa kami ngayon. Ayun yung Mount Fuji, oh.
The place is called Shimizu. Really enjoy the view, of course, and also the tea you produce. You can call him Mitsuhiro. Mitsu-san. It may feel the sweet smell. You know, in the tea, there are some components here. The umami brings out any temperature of water.
Mochi?
You know mochi? Yes. The color difference inside the beans, sweet bean germ is all the same.
Just little umami.
Just the umami. That taste, bro. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Join me in the English version if you like. This is called chakkiri so.
Chakiri yo. Chakiri yo.
Sobrang lamig.
Pagdating dito sa medyo high altitude na, ayan na, mararamdaman mo na nagkakaedad ka na.
Hindi na magalaw yung panga ko eh. Sorry.
We had like covered mga 150, 160 kilometers na. Masakit na sa kamay. Pero masaya sa experience. Sobrang saya. Solid.
Dinner.
Good ride today.
Maputi pa rin.
Napakagandang experience. Talagang condo experience para sa amin.